Hey everyone, I'm outside the Arona Gran Hotel in Los Cristianos and I'm going to do a wee walking tour showing you the nearby area, so let's check this out. Now when you come out the hotel, you just go down there and that's you on the promenade, and if you look over here, here's the market. It's every Sunday and Tuesday from about, I believe, 9 AM to 2 PM. Well worth checking out, it's a really good market. So I'm just going to take a wee walk down here. There's some wee restaurants over here. I'm going to show you, if you want some British food, there's the Big Ben pub. That's quite good. I'll show you a few other wee bits and bobs. What, Beer and a Paella, restaurant and cocktail bar. There's some of the prices. €14 for a pork fillet steak and chips. $16.95 for a sirloin steak, fried onions and mushrooms. 2 salmon grill, $33.95. 2 sea bass, the same. 2 fillet steaks, a bottle of house sangria, $49.95. Some good deals there. The Queen Vic, you get a good breakfast here. Full English, $6.50. Veggie, $6.50. Queen Vic, $8.95. It's quite good. You get eggs Benedict and scrambled egg. Love an eggs Benedict. The Big Ben pub, that's closed just now. The kebab life, some nice kebabs there. Some meal deals. I love a chicken doner kebab. I've not had one yet. I've been here. I need to get one. Here's a Chinese restaurant. I'm not sure. I think I was in there the last time I was here. I think it was alright, but don't quote me on it. And I'll show you a place to go. It's got a really good deal. It's 7:30 in the morning in Los Cristianos. And it's lovely, nice and relaxed. I'm just going to show you this wee place in the corner. Wouldn't say it's a hidden gem, but it is a gem. It's a good place to go. So here it is, Charlie's restaurant. I'll not go over because I've done it countless times in other videos. But if you go to Charlie's bar, you can get a 3-course meal for $14.95 and the food's really good. They also do cocktails and entertainment, so check it out. Last night it was Rod Stewart and Elvis, and I have to say I was quite impressed. They're both really good. Now, just in case you're thinking between Arona Gran and the H10 Big Sur, the H10 Big Sur is up there. So they're both close to the market. Arona Gran being the closest. But the H10 Big Sur has one advantage. If you're in the pool area, you just need to scan your wee wristband and you can get out and you're straight on the promenade, probably quicker than the Arona Gran. Haven't stayed in the Arona Gran, but I have stayed in the H10 Big Sur, and it's a lovely hotel. Some say it's overpriced, maybe overhyped. I don't know, I really liked it. The pool's quite small, well, fairly small, but I thought it was quite good. It's a boutique hotel, so I liked it, I really liked it. So anyway, this is us on the beachfront. If you stay in the Arona Gran, I hope this video is useful to you, and please like, subscribe and share, and check out my other videos. I'm doing a whole series of videos around the Los Cristianos, Las Americas and H10 areas, so check them out. thank you very much folks, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.